what's up, guys? It is Saturday, January 10th. Yeah, I can never remember the damn dates. It's really crappy outside, and we ain't got nothing else better to do, so we're gonna fire this Turbo Silverado. We're gonna take the Turbo Silverado up to my buddy's shop, and we're gonna go over there and rip some RC cars and hang out. And there we go. Yeah, see a little dim there. But anyways, yeah, no, we're gonna just chill out, have a session with the boys, and grab some gas and some food, and then we're gonna get moving. No, damn well I need a bev. Damn. Pretty shit outside. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. No good. No good, Mr. George. No good. Now that that is under control. Yeah, run that. This line booming right now, boy. Secured the bag. Now we out. Goddamn New Yorkers. Alright, Wolf, down two of my McChickens. Guy over here working on his. Already skating. Nothing on her. Gonna be on the road for a minute, so yeah. Oh, who's the friggin' bro? Oh, I didn't even see him until I whipped out the phone. How you doing, kid? Thing's freaking cleaner than mine. I'm not with the lift kit, but nice. See you, buddy. Nice riding with you. Oi, a little slip and slide out here. Gotta be easy on a kid. Why do you guys have that shit? You're literally in an Altima, guy. The gang right there. After that long ass drive, finally pulled up on them. Let's get it. Give him a little hit. Won't even. Yeah, no, won't even. Prime Performance and Fab. It's time to party. Yeah, let's get my boy. Sheesh. Got my boy G. Yeah, Chris. Big. Nah. He on the stockies. Oh, nah, there they are. What? Bit ammo. You're. What up, guys? What up?
Look at this fucking guy. You got me looking all crazy.
No, you're about to see. You go home.
I thought that one.
Then so then you ended up
To come out like this, you
How's
put your
that?
speaker.
What is this?
Oh, that's
here
Coco.
in the middle.
Look at this.
Right?
I don't know.
But you don't think this would be a better idea?
Drawing the box out is diabolical work.
Everything got sit back.
Yo, Coco looking like a naked
Look at we put 112 right there, bro.
I got, well, but I like this idea. This idea looks better.
So you're gonna have
What you got?
I don't know. It says CXCXX.
Tentacion?
I don't know what XXX means. Oh, it means one.
I'm trying to tell you
Alright.
it's gonna sound. Look at the air travel your speaker has.
I got 6, I got 5, I got
This
4.
one has even air
I
travel.
don't even know how to play this.
Whoa.
What?
You got a 4.56?
Yeah.
Yo, he rolled a 4.56
What
off
does that
rip.
mean?
He rolled a 4.56 off rip.
Like with my
My boy, you bring your
Like my uncle, yo.
damn. Damn, son.
Don't at me, bro. Don't at me, bro. Don't at me, bro.
Don't at him, bro. What are you doing?
What? What? What?
I was looking in the shop.
Very clean.
I did cool.
What is going on
Yeah,
here?
what happened with that?
Hold
You want to lose
on.
this part? That's why
I was trying to get off the fan.
Oh, that is actually pretty smart.
And then guess what we had to do? We ended up just breaking it.
All this just for a little Colorado.
Get your cats.
Get your cats. $3 signs. What the fuck's going on here?
He got rage baited.
A little bit of a crash out.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Bruh. That's burnt, my guy. Show him how you eat a Big Mac. No, stop spanking your burger. It stink over here now.
Eating burger.
It's like feet and burger.
That's your
Yeah, they putting Tony to work back there. Free labor, dude.
free slave labor. It's a Chinese word. No.
How's that going, dude?
This is messed up.
All right. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. What are you doing to the rockers, dude?
Just trying to see if they're loose.
Rocking the rock.
Examine.
He's examining.
What's your observation?
It actually looks pretty
It
good
looks
though.
pretty good.
10 out of 10.
Oh, freaking
Because
steals.
you know which one to buy when you gotta buy it.
Dude, they're LS gaskets.
Yo,
they're all the same.
These are hard to find.
1998.
These are
fucking now.
Velcro.
The same things. $3.
It's like $3.
Get this thing out of here, yay. What are you doing? There it goes. There it goes. Just had to kickstart it. Just had to kickstart it. Yeah, we do Audi things too. We like Audis. I used to have a B5 S4. I think it was pretty cool. Oh God, 4 deep.
Wait, are we like
Yeah, I don't know if this thing's gonna like 4D.
Okay, if I die, I don't know if it's gonna like.
Gang sign.
No, they might have to get. I'll get out. I'll record from the outside.
What are we doing?
I've done 3D. We're going for a drive, Tony. We're going for a drive.
Wait, are we gonna drift?
Yeah. No.
Nah, we're just smiling. I think I like it.
No.
No, we're just going for a ride. This thing's all-wheel drive.
My ass is all the drive.
That's crazy.
Hey yo.
Yo, you're crazy. Dude, what's that?
My ass.
That actually works.
Oh, it'll do. Oh, great.
It's wet, that's why. If it was dry out, it wouldn't work.
Hell no.
It's wet.
This thing makes like 220 at the wheels on a good day. On its best day.
Hold on. You guys stay in the back, you cowards. Stay in the back. Unlock the doors. Whoa! How you guys doing, man? Oh my God! What happened to the seat?
I don't know. It was just... No, I didn't.
Oh my God! I'm getting back in. Nope, never mind. I just gotta He's taking it wide. Jesus Christ! Yo! Oh yeah, up the bank. Nice. That was good. Drift taxi, he says. Oh.
I'm never riding in the car. Okay.
That was funny. Gianni and Tony, they had to sit in back seats while drifting. He says, I heard. Meanwhile, his head's about ready to come off, bad boy. Gotta get a little cryberry. What are you doing, Briss?
My friend, what the fuck are you doing? In India, we do not do this.
Oh, thing's gonna fall right up.
do not.
Give him the big gun. I don't know how this happened.
Hold
Yeah.
that up. I mean, it's not like I'm reusing it.
Yeah, we're like hella angulated, bud. There you go.
Hella angular.
Oh my god. Tell might take this from me.
Got that push rods, buddy.
Yeah, that's a little heavy there. What are you looking for?
Something like, you know.
You'd almost want
I guess that works. Oh, very crusty, very crusty. Yeah, Jake. That's how you feel.
Just thinking.
Yo, meat wad. Hey! 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 We out. You heard? That's where that VA's going eventually. That's the daily for the Audi. And then yeah. Always good to see the boys. Talk to you on the next one.